everybody, and welcome to Daniel's Cooking Adventures. Now, as you can tell by the title, I'm cooking Nakita's favorite meal. How did this even come to be? Why am I the only one doing the work today?
Because, remember, it's my 200-day anniversary of the last time I went to a restaurant. And so you're gonna cook for me and I'm gonna pretend I'm at a restaurant.
How did I get stuck doing this?
Because I'm the one that hasn't been to a restaurant.
I feel like I got suckered into making this video, but you know what? I have been annoying Nakita a lot lately, so maybe this is my redemption. This is like my way of saying sorry for annoying you so much lately. Have I been getting on your nerves lately?
Oh my God, so much.
So I don't know why, but I have issues where I like to annoy someone, and the more I annoy them, the happier it makes me feel. So this is my way of saying sorry to Nakita. I'm gonna make her favorite meal today, which is
Daniel's Carbonara.
All right, so let's see. Now, unlike the usual cooking videos, usually Nakita finds the recipes and has the recipes up and everything so organized. I'm just going off my head today. I haven't prepared anything, so I hope I remember how to make pasta. I'm frazzled right now because I can't remember how to make anything. So we're gonna start off with make some fresh pasta. We need 2 cups of pasta.
Flour.
Like 2 cups of flour. Is this a cup? This looks like a cup to me. So be prepared for a very unorganized cooking video today, but that's okay. Because I think most people are like me. Most people are unorganized. Or am I just really bad?
You want to spill a little more on the bench?
No, I did that for the effect. You know how like in advertisements they go and everything? That's why I made it messy. It's on purpose. 2 cups of flour. We're gonna make a well in the center of the flour. All right, now to this, I think it's 3 eggs. I can't quite remember. I know a lot of people follow like 1 egg per cup of flour, but I think it just depends on your environment. Like if it's a wet environment or a moist environment, like you live in the Mediterranean, you might need less eggs. But we live in Australia and it's winter right now, so it's quite dry. So I think 3 eggs is okay. Pop. And then slowly we're gonna incorporate the flour. See, now it's almost starting to become a dough. We're almost at the point of where we can chuck it onto the table. I'm gonna use my hands now because it's almost there. I just remembered sometimes I put olive oil in here into the mix, but I totally forgot. It's coming together nicely.
Yeah, it looks good. I swear he's more Italian than I am.
I am more Italian than you are. I can even speak the language. Il libro. That means the book or a book, I'm not sure. Usually when I make pastas, they're more dry than wet. This one's more wet, so it just shows that it's a lot to do with the weather. I'm jealous of the people that have pasta hooks and they can just go on the machine. I think I'm done. I'm happy with that dough. Okay. And that's how easy it is to make fresh pasta.
Does it have to rest or anything?
I think for a little bit. I really can't remember. I think you just leave it for like 10, 20 minutes. I don't know, I'm gonna Google.
Yeah, we should check.
Hey Google, how long?
Yeah, you unplugged the Google.
I unplugged it, damn it. All right, we'll be back and I'll tell you guys what to do. All right, so I'm sure Nakita's gonna edit out all the moments that I said I don't know what I'm doing, so it just looks like I know what I'm doing. You're not gonna leave those bits in, are you?
I don't know. We'll see.
I feel like you are. I feel like you definitely, she's the type of person where she's definitely gonna leave those in. I'm just gonna talk as if I didn't say that I didn't know what I was doing. So in case you want to edit so I look professional, it's all good. So now we're gonna let this rest for 30 minutes and we're gonna put in some cling wrap. So we're letting the pasta dough rest, and in the meantime, let's get started on the sauce because I am gonna hand grate the cheese. So I've got a block of cheese here. I'm gonna estimate how much cheese to put in. I don't really have a recipe. If you wanna follow this recipe, which I don't know why you would because there's a lot of other recipes to follow. It's about 50 grams of cheese for 2 people, I'd say. I've got Parmesan cheese here. In Italy, they'll use Pecorino cheese, which is sharper, I'd say. And we actually tried Pecorino once to make carbonara. Makes a big difference. If you can get Pecorino, get Pecorino.
Why didn't we get Pecorino?
I don't know, I forgot. This is why I should let Nakita plan the recipes. There we go. About that much cheese. So the next step is the saucy bit of the sauce, I suppose. I'm gonna do 1 whole egg.
Surrounded by eggs.
And then I'll also do just the egg yolk. If you're feeling super decadent, you can just do completely egg yolks, but that's very, very naughty. Very naughty. Pepper, good amount of pepper. I like it extremely peppery just because it's quite a heavy dish, very heavy cheesy dish. That, and also there's not that many ingredients, you know, to pull flavors from. So pepper is the main ingredient for me, one of the main ingredients. Let's give this bad boy a whisk. Let's incorporate everything. Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Bam!
Whoa, it's thick.
It's thick.
We get to see your whole outfit.
Hey, don't show my slippers. All right, we're gonna get started on the dough now. I'm just gonna quarter it. Here we go.
Oh, is that normal?
No. It's all right, I forgot to do something. Just cut this out. Just cut this bit out, cut this bit out. Before we start, we're gonna put it to the biggest setting, which I forgot to do. Just gonna make this a little bit flat so it can go into the machine. It looks a bit funky, but that's all right. It'll fix as we go along. All right, look at the pasta. She's looking very beautiful.
Wow.
Did you get that?
Yeah, you want to take a photo like how when they catch a big fish?
Time to cut the bad boy. Unfortunately, I only have 2 settings on my pasta machine. It's like fettuccine or ramen style noodles. So let's make some fettuccine today. Fettuccine. There we go. We got a nice little serving of fettuccine pasta. I'm gonna do this with the rest of the dough now, and then we'll start finishing her off so that little Nakita here can eat her favorite meal in the whole wide world. All right, we finally finished all the pasta. Now we're gonna put everything together, and then little Porky over there can eat.
Hey!
Now, I'm gonna start with some olive oil. I'm gonna cook our bacon. Probably don't need too much, because the bacon's fatty. Now in Italy, they'll use guanciale, which is, you know what that is? Come over here. Which is this nice little bit here. The guanciale is the pork cheek, little piggy cheek. But unfortunately, we're in Melbourne, Australia. We don't have access to the guanciale. We have to use bacon, which to be honest is a totally different flavour to the guanciale. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'll let that bad boy cook.
While it cooks, we got some water boiling.
So to be honest, if you've never actually had carbonara with guanciale and you've only ever made it with bacon, you've kind of never really had carbonara, I'd say. It's a pretty different flavour. I'm gonna do one more thing, because you know I like pepper.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna season the meat with a bit of pepper.
Ooh.
That makes it really peppery, because you know when you cook pepper, it makes it like, it intensifies it like tenfold, I find. The water's boiling, so we can chuck in our pasta too. All right, we're gonna salt the pasta water. All right, we're gonna chuck the pasta in.
Oh!
Pasta shouldn't take too long because it's fresh pasta. 4 minutes maybe? I'd say she's done. We're gonna chuck it straight into the pan. The pan's off now, by the way.
Why is that?
So when we go to cook the egg yolks, it doesn't scramble. Time to chuck our sauce in. She's looking a bit clumpy, but that's all right. We can loosen it up with pasta water if need be. That's looking nice and cheesy.
We're going for it.
I'm going for it. Now hopefully the residual heat will cook the pasta sauce, but then at the same time, it's not hot enough to scramble the eggs. It just makes a nice cheesy sauce. Come in here. Can you see how nice and creamy that's getting?
Wow.
It's getting super nice and creamy. And we didn't even have to add any cream in it at all. Look at that, guys. No cream whatsoever. I'm just really mixing everything in there. Look at that. Look how nice and creamy that is. You would think I put in so much cream, but there was literally zero cream. I'm gonna go in and have a taste. Oh yeah. I wanted to taste it whether I needed to change anything. I did not.
Perfect.
Yeah, and I didn't have to add pasta water. Sometimes you have to add pasta water because it's too thick. But look at that. It's just like a nice, delicious, cheesy, creamy coating on the pasta. It's perfect, isn't it? Look how nice that is. All right, let's plate up. All right, before we dig in, of course, we need a little bit more Parmesan. Oh man, that looks good. Come on.
I'm here.
All right.
Are we ready?
We're eating, let's do it.
Okay.
Sorry for keeping you for so long. I've never made it look this good before, like so nice and silky.
It looks so silky.
All right, let's eat. Cheers. Oh man, holy moly.
Honestly, your cooking, it's fine that I haven't been to a restaurant in over 200 days. It's so fine.
It's just so nice. Like, look at that nice sheen on it. I don't know how I pulled it off, but this is one of the best carbonaras I've made.
It really is.
You will not miss the cream at all.
No way, I can never have carbonara with cream again. Good job, so good.
I'm gonna be a bit naughty here. I'm gonna grate some more cheese on this.
Oh, me too, please.
Naughty. So have I made up for being really annoying lately?
Yeah, definitely. This is so good. You know what? I know how many days it's been since I've been to a restaurant because I know the exact last one we went to. It was in Italy, and I don't know what I got, but you got carbonara, and I tried it, and I'm gonna say
this is better.
It's pretty good, yeah.
I beat an Italian restaurant in Italy,
It's
Rome.
pretty up there. It's so good.
Damn.
And it's like peppery. It's so nice, silky, yeah.
It's silky, that's a good word for it. Like when you go take a bite, like a cheesy, silky sauce just coats your whole mouth. The egg's nice and rich and just coats everything in your mouth with cheesiness, cheesy goodness.
I love it, thank you so much. But don't think you can annoy me and make up for it by nice pasta. Just don't annoy me. I'm serious. You know what he does?
What do I do?
I'm tired, I'm on the verge of when you're about to sleep, and he just shakes me.
I didn't shake you.
Because he doesn't want me to go to bed yet, because he's gonna miss me when I'm asleep.
Hey, some people might find that very sweet.
I mean, it is, but don't shake me.
I didn't shake you. I went to go cuddle her, and then she got angry at me. She started yelling at me, guys. And then I told her mum that she was being mean to me.
You did.
I told on you.
And then my mum started annoying me too.
You yelled at your mum.
Well, guys, don't annoy me. Delicious. My favourite meal of yours.
No way. Yeah?
Well, you already finished yours. I'm savouring every bite.
Not bad, because I haven't made it in a while and I was just going off the top of my head. Still pretty good. Still pretty good.
It's the first time I've tried your pasta from your pasta machine.
How was it? Fresh pasta.
So yum.
I can only imagine how good this would have been if we had pecorino cheese and guanciale. That would, oh my God. You know what I'm gonna do when I go to Italy? I'm gonna buy like a massive piece of guanciale and bring it back with me. And then I'll be on border security.
Yeah.
I'll be one of those people that are like, they're like, hey, do you have any meat, sir? And I'll be like, no. And then I'll get busted and they'll be like, sir, why did you not declare this meat? Why did you not declare this 20 kilo piece of guanciale?
It's like one suitcase is for guanciale.
It's worth it. It'll be worth the fine. If they let me keep it.
No, they wouldn't let you keep it.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, thanks for watching. Hey, we're dressed the same. That was an accident.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all. Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then watch this video next for 25 years of good luck.